Hey folks, got you back up real quick. I found what looks to be like a little trash pit. That's a rock there. I'm kind of down in a little gully here. About, I don't know, 10 feet by 5 maybe. I've dug up a bunch of cork tops there. But right here looks like I got a hole one. If I can get it out. Yep. Okay, well, it's just a flask. Well, it's like a blob top. It's blown. Cool. Well, I'll keep it. Yeah, that's a nice bottle. Okay, I'll keep scraping around. Okay, just pulled out an old malted milk bottle. It's in perfect condition. Horlick's malted milk. Seen, Wisconsin, USA. Slow, England. It's an oldie. Oh, I think it's almost looks like manganese glass. I'm not 100% sure though. Don't quote me on that, but get it cleaned up and have a look. Well, got you back up again, folks. I've been digging in here, dug up a bunch of stuff. Look, pitchfork. But I just uncovered this E.T. Wright and Company, number 4CB. I looked it up, and it turns out this is the base to a lantern. So that's kind of cool. Patented February 1912. Pretty cool. All right, on to the next. Well, after about an hour of digging, not finding really anything. I may have found a whole bottle here, folks. Right here. And they're pretty good. Oh yeah. It's not embossed, but it's full of roots. It looks like one of those Shoo Fly Flasks. Pretty cool bottle. Yep, keep that. What's this here too? Broke. Okay. Yep. Alright. Catch you later. The number of broken gin bottles in here is fucking staggering, but check this out. That would have been nice. A big old jug of some sort. Pretty. A greenish hue to the glass. Cool. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I was digging right over there in that little pit. Came over this way. Popped out this second quality Vaseline, Just Bro Vaseline. This is the second one of these I found just recently. And only thing I could really find out about it was that the second quality might have meant that it was intended for animal use. Don't know for sure, but anyways, let's keep going. Looks fine, folks. Check it out. Picture of a horse. Glass. Back is metal. Looks like it might have been a pin at one time. Got a crack down here by the horse's neck. So that's alright. I'm going to take it and see if I can clean it up. Alright, on to the next. Well folks, I was just on my way out of here, heading back to the car, and I checked out that big clump of roots there from that tree that fell over, and there was some glass in it, and I thought, well, I should come back here sometime and check out this mound of rock, see if there's anything around it. I came around this other side and check it out. It's embossed. Oh, it's a torpedo blob top. Gold and silver medals for ginger ales, etc. Montreal. Awesome. That is like the best find I've found this year, I think. I thought I seen another piece of glass up here too, right here. Unfortunately, this one's broke. Would have been a nice bottle too. Alright, so I definitely got to come back and check out this area here. Look, there's a piece of metal there, some more up there. Cool, very cool. Alright. Woo! That's exciting. Later. Good day, folks. Hope everybody's doing well today. I'm back with a recap. We got this stuff all cleaned up. Let's start off with this one. This is an old flask here. You can see the rough texture of the glass on this flask. You get it focused here. There we go. And it's blown. And I believe this is an applied lip on it. It's a little, just doesn't seem to be uniform enough to be a tooled lip. But anyways, there it is. It's too bad it wasn't embossed. It's a nice bottle. It's light too. Next we have the Shoo Fly Flask. It's blown. And it appears to be a tooled lip on that one. Got a W on the bottom. Nice bottle. Some bubbles in the glass, you can see there. And then as I was leaving that site, I found this here a little ways away, probably, I don't know, 100 feet or so, at a different location. We got the Gurd and Company ginger ale round bottom ginger ale. Yeah, I called it a torpedo bottle in the video, and in my excitement, it was the first time I'd found one like this, a round bottom, and I wasn't quite sure what to make of it. Anyways, it's from Montreal. Gold and silver medals for ginger ales, etc. And I did a short video on this bottle a while back, and you can check that out if you want. It's got a little more info on it. Blown in a mold. Next we got this Horlick's malted milk. Got a manganese color to it, almost a grayish color. And this is going to be prior to 1915. It's a screw top and machine made. And then we have this one here. It's just a slick, but it's a manganese one. Screw top. Got some bubbles in the glass. Nothing real special about it. We got second quality Vaseline. Chesapeake. And second quality would indicate that it was for animal use, like a veterinary quality rather than human. And it's got a very faint manganese purplish color to it. I'll hold it up to the light. I can make it out just faintly. This is just a shard, Dr. Daniels. I kept it to see if I could what I could find on it, and I couldn't find anything about it, so that's that. Got a 44 Winchester casing. They were first used in 1895 and last used in 1920. So that would somewhere in there. I suspect this stuff's all right turn of the century. Got two of these things. They're glass, and it's got a horse's head in that. Clearly you can see that. Back's broke off it there. And this one's got a horse's head in it, but it looks like it might have been foil or something, and it shriveled up over time. But it has got this piece on the back, so I'm not sure what it is, but there they are. Next we got the clay pipe, the late 1800s, early 1900s possibly. Nice little specimen. And then 6 glass stoppers. This one's kind of busted up a bit, but I kept it anyways, just to show the 6 of them that I got from that site. This one's busted up pretty good too. I probably won't keep that. Anyways, that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video and the cleanup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.